If you're visiting Jeju Island and looking for something fun na hindi lang sightseeing, this is one activity our whole family truly enjoyed. Hi everyone, this is Kurt Dashing Adventures, and for today we are sharing you our experience at Jeju Tangerine Cart, which is also known as Gamyeol Cart. They are located at 42 Jungmung Wangwang Ro, Sukripo, Jeju-do, right in the Jungmun Tourist Complex. This is also where you'll find Running Man Jeju and the Live Museum. However, a live museum is temporarily closed for renovation, and it will reopen this May. If you're commuting, take a bus going to Jungmun area, then short walk na lang or quick taxi ride. And if you have a rental car naman, just pin Gamyeol Cart on Neighbor or Kakao Map. May parking on-site sila, so very convenient. And we booked this activity through Klook for a hassle-free experience. Super dali lang din yung i-redeem because all you have to do is to show your mobile ticket and bibigyan ka na nila ng physical ticket and exchange. If you want to try this activity, I will put the link on the comment section or the caption. And if you use your Casa Klook, you can still use my code KLOOKHECKLE to get up to 5% off. We are a family of 4 with 2 teenage sons, and honestly, sila talaga yung pinaka-excited dito. There is a safety briefing before you start, and the staff explain everything clearly. And can we talk about the helmets? Super cute because they look like tangerines. It matches Jeju's Gamyeol theme, and ang cute tingnan pag naka-line up na kayo sa track. They offer single-seater carts for 150cm and above, and double-seater if riding with an adult. Our boys qualified for single-seater and they love it. You can feel the speed up to 80km per hour, especially on the curves. It's really adrenaline plus scenic views combined. But important reminder you're not allowed to take photos or videos while riding. This is for safety purposes. So take your photos before or after your turn. We 100% enjoyed this activity and definitely a core memory family experience for us. Kaya naman if you're traveling to South Jeju and want something exciting that your teens will actually think before, add Gamyeol Cart to your itinerary. And that's it for today. Don't forget to follow us for more travel tips and hacks. Till our next adventure. Goodbye!